my daily life, in my business place. In today's video, I will show you an easy way to make a welcome board. Do you want to make a welcome sign by yourself? This is the best place to be today for you. Okay? Don't hesitate to share to your family and friends. Yeah, for them to learn. So, I have my design. Here's my design. Print on a vinyl sticker, alright? Now I need to transfer this print onto a Corex board. For those who doesn't know what is a Corex board, it's something like this. It's usually white. I think it also comes in black, but I only know the white part. Okay, this is a 3 millimeter. I don't know So okay, if you are going to a plastic shop, there is usually a plastic shop. If you are here in South Africa and you want to buy a Corex board, I think the best place to go is Maze Plastic. I'm in Cape Town, so I buy my Corex board in Maze Plastic. I'm not doing adverts for them, so they're not paying me for that. Thank you. But if you know where to buy, you can buy. So, first step, make sure that your Corex board is very clean. So I have some scent here, so just clean it. You can use a fabric, a cloth, to clean by yourself. Yeah. Now my board is clean. It's time for me now to apply my vinyl onto the board. It's very easy. You don't need a machine or to hire a big company to make it for you. You can do it by yourself at the comfort of your own home. Okay. Yeah, this is my workshop, my workplace. I don't have a big place, but I'm using this small space to make. So you can do it in your sitting room, in your kitchen, in your garage. So, first thing, let me unstick my vinyl. You don't unstick the full thing. Do it progressively. You see? You unstick it until this level. Now you place the vinyl onto the board. This way. Just follow the process. You can use either your hand to apply it on the board, or you can use something like this, a wiper. They call it a wiper. So you use something like this to apply. The purpose of this is to remove the air. I don't know what I'm talking about. The air, the extra air, to avoid, to make it to be flat like this. I like to use my hands because usually when you use a wiper, it make those scratches. I don't like it. I don't like to my design to have scratch. Yeah, you make it to get old, to look old, but it's something new. So I like to use my hands to make my designs, to apply it. I actually found it very easy while I'm using my hands. So you do at the back here, you remove the paper at the back also progressively until the end. You see, with my hands, I still get my full color. Just here that I use the wiper, there are some scratch here, but here that I'm using my hands, it's still the same color. So I advise you to use your hands. Okay, don't be scared, don't be scared. It's very easy. So if you are into the event industry and you are doing decor, if you don't want to spend money to make your welcome board by a company, printing company, I think you can start doing your own thing by yourself. But if you don't have a printing machine, I think I advise you to go to a printing shop to do your printing and buy your own Corex board and go and apply it on the board by your house or your workplace. Okay, I'm done. This is the back of my binder. Yeah, so the next step is to cut. So I need to cut this design out. Alright. So for that I will need my ruler. I need a ruler like this. It doesn't matter the size. No? This is 60 centimeter. You can use a 30 centimeter one. And a cutter. Small cutter. We call it cutter. It comes in different color. You can find yellow, green, red, silver. Yeah. So, time to cut. Place the ruler at the end of the design. Don't cut the design, please. We don't want to make your clients very angry, right? So make sure you don't destroy their design or your own design. Press the ruler onto the board and cut. Alright. I usually like to cut twice to make sure that it's well cut. Again, do not cut the design, please. Only cut the edges of the design. Make sure not to cut the design. Don't forget to like the video and to share. You can also give me if you see that I'm sharing something helpful, needful for you. Don't forget also to share the video to someone that needs to see this type of video. Alright, okay, almost done. Don't tap it. Directly. Voila! I'm done cutting my board. This is the finishing point. I have my board, my welcome sign ready to deliver to the client. All right. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, if you know you cannot do it, you are still welcome to come to me if you're in Cape Town. I will design and give you a well printed and well cut welcome sign. Isn't it beautiful? This is A2 size. I also designed A1, A0 sign. Alright. So, if you decide to try this technique at your home or your business place, don't hesitate to tag me on your video. Okay? Thank you. See you on my next project.